Introducing Fix-A-Flat.
Are you tired of getting no attention at the club because you're flat? Then this is the product for you.
Are you tired of being the flat ones at the club? Now use Fix-A-Flat. When you use Fix-A-Flat, the guys and girls will be all over you at the club.
Oh my god, how did you get this one that big?
It's amazing.
I use Fix-A-Flat. Hi, I'm Samantha, and I am the creator of Fix-A-Flat. It works. Thank you for my butt.
Order your bottle of Fix-A-Flat now for only $19.99. Call 1-800-555-5554.
And did we mention when you order now, you get a free second bottle of your premium Fix-A-Flat now?